Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Monday, the 13th of August. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in the last session of last week on Friday. We saw the CPI number, the Consumer Price Index, come in at 0.2% as the trend continues to strengthen, which keeps the Fed Reserve on track for a gradual interest rate rise. US dollar had a strong night on Friday, making ground on all the majors, including our local Aussie, which fell through support, the 73.50 support level, and now trading at 72.80. So a strong night for the US dollar on Friday. From Canada, we saw the employment change number come in strong at 54,100 jobs, the unemployment rate at 5.8%. Strong data for the Canadian dollar, although the US CAD, it didn't make ground on the US dollar because there was better news from the US front on that one. From the UK, the GDP numbers came in at 0.1%, the manufacturing production at 0.4%. The economy is slightly better in the second quarter, was said by the Bank of England on Friday. However, the GBP USD, the cable, keeps on falling. It broke through new levels, new lows, and touched a low of 127.20 on Friday. Let's see what happens on that front. Are we going to be finding a floor soon, or is this landslide still going to continue to tumble down? So that remains to be seen. Time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I have found this morning is the pound yen on a daily time scale. Now, if you have a look at this particular chart, the reasoning for this chart that I'm finding today is we've had 8 consecutive red candles in a row. Now, remember, this is only a short-term statistical reversal type trade, meaning I'm only going for a shallow 30. If you're aggressive, you can maybe go for 50 to 60 pips. That's up to yourself, but it's only a shallow trade. It's a short-term reversal. I'm not going against the trend, so I've had 8 consecutive days. So essentially, for me, if you actually see this video later in the day and you find that this candle is already closed this gap, the trade's already over for you. Okay, so if you haven't seen it early, forget about it. And it is short term. I would be exiting this trade at around about the 30 to 50 pips, depending on how aggressive you are. But there you have it. That is our GBP JPY pound yen on a daily time scale. The reasoning for it is 8 consecutive red candles. It is a statistical short-term reversal. We're just looking for one little bit of blue candle, and the trade is over. So there you have it. That is our chart of the day this morning. What's happening in the news, which is about to kick off? Well, slow Monday. There is no major news on the session, which is coming up. So guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.